What's up, y'all, and welcome to a special edition of PokeMondays with CP. I'm your girl CP. On this particular series, we talk about Pokemon, and usually I talk about Pokemon cards. However, recently, like maybe 2-3 weeks ago, I saw a Twitter and IG post. Was it Twitter? I think it was Twitter. No, I think it was IG. I saw an Instagram post for this beauty company called No Make No Life, and they had a special Valentine's Day / February box with a collaboration with Pokemon. And so I thought the products were super cute initially, and I thought it was kind of appropriate for me to get it on this channel, and so it's kind of a 2-for-1. I get cute new makeup, it's Pokemon related, and I get to do an unboxing of more Pokemon stuff. This is probably going to be my only No Make No Life box, depending if I won their little January ad thing for their giveaways. But because I'm not hella into makeup, even though my face says differently today. No Make No Life is a makeup company based in Japan, and they combine Japanese and Korean face stuff. And so I subscribe, honestly, only for the Pokemon things, and I think it'd be kind of fun to do a makeup unboxing. I used to subscribe to Ipsy. Was it Ipsy? Yeah, I used to subscribe to Ipsy, and it was cool. I liked the product. I liked the variety in product, but I don't really use that much makeup outside of eyeliner, my eyebrows, occasionally, but more likely so recently, eyelashes, and then if I'm feeling extra sassy, I'll put on some lippy, and then on those days like today, I'll do a full face. So yeah, that sounds like a lot, I know, but I don't always do it. Eyeliner and eyebrows for sure. Next, eyelashes. Next, lipstick, and then full face. So this packaging is super cute. I love that it's pink. They have the little heart fingers. This box has seen better days. It's shipped from Japan, so I'm not super like, ooh, why is this box looking a little raggedy? But it's okay. Let's open this. I've said that so many times now. Oh, okay. So here's the inside. Oh, I can already see some of the product. It's so cute. So I'm so excited. I see so many of the cute stuff already. Okay, calm. Initially, I kind of wish that there was like a piece of tissue to cover the product, so when I opened it, it was more of a surprise. It was kind of like, open and here's your product. I also feel like if this is being shipped internationally and water got into the sides, it would have damaged the box, but it didn't, luckily. But I feel like that should just be a tip for the shippers. Here is the packaging. So it is volume 49, so they've been around for a while. Valentine's, I Choose You. And I like this little Pokemon, this little Pokeball heart. And I think this sort of talks about the product. Oh yeah, it talks about each product. Oh, that's a spoiler. Let's close that book. So the collaboration is with this brand called Lovisia, who makes all these super cute Pokemon themed stuff. The first product I have here is this Pokemon Steak? Is this Pokemon Stick Cheek? Oh my god, how do you say this? Stick Cheek. It is a Mew themed, so I think there might be a little Mew here. It's Stick Cheek. What the hell is a Stick Cheek? It's basically a blush stick. They also have this particular stick in Pikachu, Eevee, and Slowpoke. Ooh! Mew's color is a pearl white highlighter. I'm all about that. I love using highlighter. I have a little bit of highlighter on right now. That's amazing. I kind of wish it was blush because I don't really wear blush, but it's okay. I really like that I have some highlight on the go. I think that's more my steez anyway compared to the blush. Next. Oh my gosh, how cute! I'm pretty sure this is compact powder. So this is called Pokemon Pressed Powder, and it's Eevee theme. So this is a pressed powder. They had a Slowpoke one. I would love that one. Slowpoke's my bro next to Psyduck. They had Slowpoke, Pikachu, and Eevee. Oh, we got another Eevee product. So this is a Pokemon lip cream. It is also another Eevee. It'd be a shame if I didn't like Eevee. This lip balm, they had an Eevee, Snorlax, Jigglypuff, and Pikachu. Oh, we got this Hello Kitty little makeup bag. Look at the fun I'm having today. So this is a little makeup carrier bag. I love that it comes in this. This is a little harder plastic than some other makeup bags. There's a weird dent right here. I wonder if there's anything in it. Oh, it's packaging. That's why. Okay. So, but yep, little makeup bag to put our items in. Wow, more stuff. This is a collagen active peel off pack. Pretty sure that's a face mask. And, okay, it is a face mask. So it's going to be one of those ones you apply and then you rip it off your face. Oh, this one's so cute. Cosmopia Love Heart Eye Mask. Patches for your under eyes. And so if you don't want to do like a full face mask, I guess, and if you have puffy under bags, this would be a cute product. But the little unicorn on it is so cute. Okay. Oh, of course, there's going to be a point pack. Oh my gosh. I believe this might be for blemishes. And so it's called Pokemon Point Pack. This little illustration is just on pieces of her face. And so I've seen product where if you're like breaking out or if you have like a blemish, you put a sticker on it. And I think the blemish goes away. And so I think this might be the same concept. There's 11 pieces. So yeah, there feels like there's definitely solution in this bag. And I do like that it opens and closes. It has a little thing to reseal the packaging. It's moisturizing patches infused with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter that can be applied to your face and body. Oh, it's not just your face. How to use. For best results, apply on clean skin after a regular skincare routine. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. I like that. I've been having a lot of dry patches on my forehead. I'd use it there for sure. Next, we have... oh, this is our last product. Okay, it's called Piggy Mom 3-Step Soak Nose Pack. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait. Oh, I think this is a wax kit, I think. Okay, so here is the packaging, and it says there's 3 steps to this. And so step 1, it looks like, I think you might have hair on your nose or blackheads. Blackheads make way more sense. And so I think this, it takes 15 to 20 minutes to remove. So I think that initially pulls the blackheads off. And then this right here is, I guess, after you remove the blackheads, you put this on and it's another 10 to 15 minutes. And then this, I think, helps to minimize the pore because that looks like a little minimize logo there. Conquer pesky blackheads and sebum buildup with this 3-step nose pack from MediHeal. Okay, that's cute. So that's all. That was all in the pack. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products. So that was my first box to No Make No Life, the Pokemon collaboration with Lovisia. And I'm going to not use a lot of this product on this video, but I do want to open up the Pokemon product so that we could see a little bit more of that. So here is the lip cream. So let's go ahead and just get this opened. Oh, what a cute little detail. There's a little Pokeball on the little sleeve there. And okay, so here we have our cute little Eevee on the packaging. It's a sticker, so that would definitely probably get damaged in some liquid, so just be very wary of that. And the little tube is blue, so there's a pink and blue swirl on this. Has a very mild scent of cotton candy. I don't really like that. Yeah, I'm probably not going to use that. Unless I'm in dire need of moisture, which is a lot of the time. So I'm probably going to use it because I need it, but it won't be my first grab. Okay, next let's open, let's open the Mew Stick Cheek. And this is for highlight. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, another cute little detail on the packaging is this Pokeball. And mine was facing the wrong way, but there's a little Mew on here. So it's a little rubber Mew on the outside. And it says Pokemon Stick Cheek on this packaging. And let's go ahead and give this an open. Oh, yes, girl. That is highlighter for sure. Ooh, I got highlight for days. Okay, that's the bottom. I see it cracky a little bit on the bottom. So let's just bring this down so I don't run out. Ooh, let's put on some highlighter right now. Let me get my little... So even though I have highlighter on right now, I could always use a little more. So let's just glide this. Okay. it's pretty creamy. Like it feels very soft and creamy to the touch after applying. I like that. Where's another location? Where's somewhere I don't have? Oh, wait, I don't usually do it here, but oops. It's a little harsh when you apply it, so just make sure you rub it out. I think it's layering with my other highlight right now, so I'm gonna stop. But I do like the texture. It is a really nice creamy feel. I feel like this Mew might pop off one day. Oh, okay, it might slide off. I might lose that, so let's be careful when we store that. And finally, we have the little pressed powder. So let's go ahead and open that. How does one do that? Okay, so this one, the Eevee is printed directly on the compact itself, unlike some of the other two products where it's kind of just added on after the fact. Give us an open. Oh, look at this little applicator has some Eevees, a heart, Pokeball. It says, what does it say? Does that say Eevee? I don't think it should say Eevee because there's no I in Eevee. What is the name of this brand? Lovisia. I think this thing is spelled wrong. I think the little applicators say Eevee, but it's spelled E-I-E-V-I-E, and I'm pretty sure Eevee is spelled E-E-V-E-E. A little sus. But either way, this is pretty cute. Here's the opposite side to hold the powder. Oh no, my little powder's cracked. So it's starting to crack a little bit here on the side. I think the little plastic piece might have crushed it a little bit. Let's go ahead and give it an open. And here, there's little hearts, little blue, little cute little compact look. This compact is plastic, so it's very, very plasticky. I feel like I would break this. Okay, pay attention, here we go. Let's get some of that. Oh, this feels like plastic too. I don't like this applicator. I'm just gonna stop putting that on. That was the pressed powder. I kind of want to give the lip cream a try because I feel like so far the product have been kind of not that great. Okay, I can't tell because I already have product on. That was the No Make No Life February 2021 box that was collaborated with Lovisia, who did a collaboration with Pokemon. In this, I actually really liked Hello Kitty case for it to carry a bunch of product and maybe the peel off mask. I'm really excited to give this point pack a try for that moisturizer. It's like a spot moisturizer, which I could really appreciate because I get super dry in certain areas of my face, and that's usually the only reason why I wear face mask. I don't really like the Pokemon product. It's kind of a little plasticky, and it kind of feels like a last minute add-on, if I'm being completely honest. Especially with how the packaging is made, and then the pressed powder compact, I was almost sold on liking it, but it broke pretty quickly. Like the powder wasn't pressed super finely or hard, so like the little plastic kind of shaved it off. I bought it for the Pokemon stuff, and so I'm not really happy about it, but I think this is cute, and maybe I'll try out the other products. But yay, I tried out this so you wouldn't have to, or you want to because you still think it's cute. But until next time, y'all, I'm CP. We're gonna catch them all. Maybe not this, but we're gonna catch them all, y'all. All right, until next time, I'll see y'all.